This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update the system software on your Samsung phone. So if you just swipe down from the top right and go to settings right here and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says software update, we can just click on this. And I have it set to auto download using Wi-Fi only. You can switch this around if you want. But let's go to download and install the software update right here and it'll check for any kind of update that you may have. So it's checking for an update right now. If you have a software update, it should give you the option to update. Now if you want to update your apps, you can go to the Google Play Store right here, click on your profile in the top right, and then we can go on down under here, go to Manage Apps and Devices, and then there should be an update to update the apps right here. So we can just click on this, and then we should be able to update all once this actually loads. And then we can update our apps, check for updates. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.